Residents of the Southeast are being urged to disregard calls for sit-at-home order. On October 21st and 22nd, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has firmly stated that these directives did not originate from the organization. For over 2 weeks, social media platforms have been abuzz with video and voice messages warning Southeast inhabitants to remain indoors on the specified dates. These unauthorized messages have threatened severe consequences for non-compliance, causing widespread panic and disruption. The impact of these rumors has been significant. In Anambra State, numerous official and unofficial engagements scheduled for these days have been postponed. Courts in Onitsha have rescheduled cases, while schools have suspended activities. The atmosphere of uncertainty has led to panic buying in significant markets across cities, as residents rush to complete transactions in anticipation of potential disruptions. However, in a telephone interview, IPOB spokesman Imapafu emphatically dismissed these sit-at-home orders. He stated, IPOB did not declare any sit-at-home order on October 21st and 22nd. The legal order is from criminal elements and Finland-based infiltrators who are not our members. Ima urged the public to go about their normal business on these days, stressing that IPOB has long since suspended such sit-at-home orders. He added, "We didn't want to talk about it again to avoid giving undue popularity to the inconsequential order from the Finland-based infiltrators. The organization's stance is clear. Any declarations of sit-at-home not coming directly from IPOB should be considered illegitimate and ignored." Stay informed with news update at NaijaNews TV.